Hello, this is Mitch King. I'm the founder of Trade Stocks America. What I'd like to do is show you a little bit about what we do on the Daily Stock Picks newsletter. Each day before the market opens, we come out with the different stock ideas that we think can make some money. And these are from different trading strategies that we teach in the Wizard Training course, as well as in our workshops and seminars. We'll show you stock picks or ideas that could fit an intraday strategy from in and out the same day, to swing trades for a week, all the way up to intermediate trades for weeks and months at a time. We'll also show you how to sell short, how to use stock options, and give ideas throughout the week when the market gives us a high probability chance of making money on that idea. Let's take a look at a highlight of a few stock newsletters that I've come out with in this last few weeks that I thought we could review. I'm going to show you different excerpts from different newsletters. This is from October 26. This is a list of stocks that I have shown, which is the highest quality companies. At the time, I thought the market was going to rebound quite substantially. And here's a list of British Petroleum, ConocoPhillips, Chevron, Walmart, Procter & Gamble, and so on. It was the time to be buying and building a list of stocks to go along. And let's take a look at what happened the very next day. The stock market started moving up the day after. On the right column here was the profit potential in that 7 days following that report of October 26. British Petroleum and ConocoPhillips, Chevron, Walmart, obviously some oil stocks, as well as a few tech stocks and financial stocks. And let's go through that on the charting system that I'll show you here. So right here we saw British Petroleum again. It was up 30%. Here's ConocoPhillips up 24%, 29%, 15%, and so on. And these were all during that following week after I gave that commentary of buying stocks long. Let's take a look on the daily chart for Warden Brothers. Here's British Petroleum. Right here is where I was saying to be buying on the 26th. Let's take a look at this is the spot here where we had that 6-day run from October 26th. And we had British Petroleum move up 30%. Let's take a look at another stock. So you see here this October 27th, the day after that report, and this stock had a low of $45, moved up that day for 4 or 5 days. So 45 was the low, and here we had a high of 56.38 right there. That where my pointer is showing that was up, moved up 24.3% that week, which was again right here, that move. Now, clearly we're in a downtrend these last months. We still are in a downtrend, but these counter trends that rebound up are very powerful and very quick, and we can go along those stocks, a group of stocks, and then sell them short at that top right in here. Another oil stock, and here's that move right in here. Clearly these oil stocks were really moving during that time frame. Let's take a look at a couple other ones that were not oil stocks. Excerpt from November 11th. Keep an alarm on HIG, which is Hartford Life Insurance, and Pru is Prudential, as they continue to move down. An alarm is when the stock hits below a certain price that it makes a noise or a pop-up. So I was trying to buy this Hartford close to $9. Well, 2 days later it went to $8.63, rebounded to $13.86, and gave a 60% profit potential in that 4 days. Another idea I posted here was Yahoo going under 10.9. Yahoo had a low of $9.76, and then several days later it hit $12.40 in the following 5 days for a profit potential of 27%. Let's take a look at those. For example, here's also First Solar was in that newsletter. Dropped $105. I said here, keep your alarms on First Solar. As it drops below 110, that alarm should wake you up here. And it went to 105.50 2 days later, rebounded $22 to 127, which is a 21% profit potential within just a day or two of that report. Let's take a look at that charting to show you that. Here's Hartford, and right here is right in here where it went from right there to there. 60% profit potential in that 2 days. Let's take a look at First Solar. Here's where First Solar moved up that $22 a share, or 21% in just a day or two. Let's take a look at Yahoo. This is where I was saying that if it goes below 10, I'm getting interested. Goes below 9, I'm interested. Well, it hit 863 right there, just literally a few days ago, and came up to this $12 number right in here. Came up to $12.40 for a profit potential in that 5-day period of 27%. So this is what we try to do. We try to give you ideas that will make you money with a high probability chance of doing that. We also teach the trading techniques in the Wizard training course to help you understand what we're talking about in the newsletter. I also give tutorials on the members area for the subscription of the Daily Stock Picks report that will help you learn what I'm talking about and how to trade these ideas. So try the free trial and see for yourself if you think it can help you. You guys have a great day, and thanks for visiting.